Hey guys, welcome to East London. Today we're going to do a little bit of FPV urban exploration. I was inspired by Bokgrinder's latest video where he's going all around New York to these quite sketchy places where you'd be scared to fly normally, and I'm going to do that, but probably a much lesser version.
I think we go down this road, I can't remember. Alright, been hunting around for some new little spots to fly on the mini drone, the Pavo. Gonna stash this little zone today. Let's go. I feel like it has lag in the throttle. I really need to hold the throttle up. That's maybe because I've gotten used to flying the 5-inch. Ooh, these little gaps. I love that with FPV you can have just as much fun in this tiny little car park with no one around. There's so many places you can just go and cruise and have a good time. That was close. Shoot little gaps. Oh! See if she'll take off again. Oh, she's up. Yes. Uh-oh. Something's weird. We'll try to bring her in. She's limping. Don't ditch her in the grass behind me. Let's have a look over here. Oh, oh my god. We're still up. I tried to do that the exact same way I do it on my 5-inch. It's so stupid. Fuck it, we'll try one more. Oh, that was better. Maybe we'll try a little split S with it. A bit more confident now. That was horrible, and I apologize. Let's try again. Oh! Yes! That's so funny. This beast go. Keep that throttle up. Land now. Okay. Sure thing. How's that landing? Are you kidding? Alright, that spot was actually super fun. Just a tiny, shitty car park. Fun trying to like freestyle the Pavo a little bit. Gonna see if we can find some more little spots to hit. I do have one in mind. Alright, here's this other spot I really want to check out. Haven't flown it yet, but I'm gonna launch, give it a quick look, see how we go, pop back.
it around. Yee-hoo! Beautiful. This is the view I wanted. Success. I call that a success. I mean, we haven't landed yet, but we got some big wind right now. Holy crap. Still flying. These batteries are super sus, so I think I'm just gonna land right now. Nah, I'm not. I'm gonna cruise for a bit to celebrate. Hello. Look at this day. Woohoo. Wow. Damn, man. So high. High for me. God, it gets so muddled up. There's something wrong with my drone. Oh, God. Alright, let's land. Bring her in. Let's bring her in. Disarmed. Oh my God. I am like... That just made me so nervous because I've been thinking about doing that for such a long time. And we finally did it. Oh, I almost want to do one more lap now. Alright, turning off.